here from Scrimpingmommy.co.uk. I just wanted to come and share some lovely smiles in the mail that I've received over the last few days. I love to share because I like to show my appreciation, and I also like to share what other people do because you can get ideas. So the first thing that came in the mail was this lovely set. I have shown it on my social media, and this is from another demonstrator called Amanda Malense, I hope I'm saying that right. And she sent me that because she noticed that I'd gotten to gold, and just wanted to send me a little something. I haven't even eaten the chocolate yet, aren't I good? And what a lovely simple idea. So she's used the peaceful poppies there and some of the new in colour DSP, and then just made that lovely little simple chocolate holder. But how pretty is that? So I just wanted to share that. And then this is from my lovely friend Ian Potter. Potter, I always want to say that in the Harry Potter style. And he sent me this. Him and his lovely wife Liz sent me this, and they sent me this beautiful box that he'd made, absolutely stunning. And inside here are some Hotel Chocolat espresso martini chocolates. I've eaten half of them. There's just 2 left. I'm savouring them, and they're hidden in my craft room so I don't have to share them with anybody. Yeah, I'm going to be mean with them and have them all to myself. So I thought this was really, really lovely. I love the little bow there as well. I think it's fab. So yeah, that's from my lovely friend Ian. And then this one here is from a lovely lady in my team called Victoria Littlewood. Victoria is a very special member of the team because she's kind of like my unsung hero. She does a lot of admin and does a lot of challenges and things like that to keep the group inspired and running, because, you know, and there's not enough hours in the day for me to do it all by myself, and so she does help me out. She helps keep the team, you know, friendly banter on there, and it's really, really lovely, because, you know, it's not just my team, it's everybody's team. That's my excuse. And she does help me an awful lot. And she sent me this because I was feeling a bit fed up the other month. So she sent me that, bless her. Isn't that lovely? And it says, "You are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and loved more than you know." I think that's ever so lovely. So that's from my lovely Victoria Littlewood. And then this one here is from my other lovely long time friend Karen McClure. She's also on my team as well. She followed me. I can't get rid of her. I've been friends with Karen about, oh gosh, 8 years through crafting now, maybe 7 or 8 years. Probably about 8. When I first came onto YouTube, she followed me and I followed her, and we've been friends ever since. And she just sent me this because she sent me some glue because we're running out of Tombow. And then, you know, Karen can't just send you what you tell her to send. She's always got to send extra. And so she sent me like a little crafty kit with some laces and some digiprints and things. So yeah. That she shared, so I'll make some. It's like a little kit for me to make something with, so I'll do that. And then I got this lovely one here from the lovely Susan Boothby, who's another lady in my team. She's quite new to my team, is Sue, and she's settled in a treat. It's like she's been here forever. And we had a bit of a challenge over on Stamping for All, and I think I shared my video on how to make these little box cards. Not that, you know, I haven't invented them, they've been around forever. And she ran with it and she came up with this. And then she sent it me, and it's like a little mini one. I think it's lovely, and then all the lovely die cuts there that she's used. I just think it's awesome. So I just wanted to share that. So that's from we call her Subu, that's a nickname. And it folds flat like so for the mail. I think it's lovely. I really, really love it. And little birdie there. So I just wanted to come and share those lovely happy mails to say thank you to those ladies. It means an awful lot to me when I get a card in the mail, and that's, you know, one of the joys of being a crafter and of obviously being part of Stampin' Up is that I do have a large network of people that I know, and that's the benefit of being part of it. You know, so you're never lonely for long. If anybody finds out you're feeling a bit fed up, you get showered with cards. It's awesome, and it really does help, you know, pick you up, put a smile back on your face, and get you crafting, because there's so many people out there that really do care about you. It's lovely. So I just thought I'd share that with you. It's beautiful weather here in England today, so I hope you get to go out and enjoy the sunshine. If you do put sun cream on. My middle daughter bobbed by the other day in her car. We had social distancing meeting, and she was absolutely as pink as that. From the sun. So do be careful, have a lovely time, and I've got a video I'm in the middle of designing for something to go up tomorrow, which is a lovely 3D project for you to try. So do make sure you click the subscribe button, please click like, comment, share wherever you can. It really does help me, you know, spread my channel, grow my numbers, etc, etc, and you know, so other people can join in sharing what we love to do, which is crafting. So take care, I'll see you tomorrow, bye for now.